Hey guys, CryptoDad here again, and today I'm going to teach you how to trade on Matcha, a new easy-to-use decentralized exchange powered by 0x. So let's get started. All right, so I'm over here on the 0x homepage, and they're powering a new decentralized exchange called Matcha. So I'm going to show you how to use it. It's a very easy to use decentralized exchange. So one of the benefits that it offers is its ease of use. It's great for newcomers. It's very easy to see exactly what you're trading for. The tokens are very clearly marked. And then you can dive in and find out a little bit more of each of these tokens. So it's something that the existing decentralized exchanges are missing. Most of them are a little difficult to use, and they have so many tokens you really don't know what's what. So ease of use for beginners is one of the focuses of Matcha. It's billing itself as the Robin Hood of DeFi. The idea here is that they're opening up the DeFi world to a large percentage of the population, people that may not be familiar with cryptos in general, but want to learn to trade in the DeFi world. So it's just going to make it a lot easier for the mainstream trader to dip his toes in the DeFi world. It's also an aggregator. So it queries a lot of other decentralized exchanges and tries to find the best price for you. Much like Expedia, Kayak, and Priceline, it looks in a lot of different places to find the best deal for you. And of course, it also benefits from all of the other things that make decentralized exchanges good. You maintain full custody of your coins. You don't have to trust them to any third party, and you don't have to go through the hassle of KYC, which is Know Your Customer rules, where you have to upload all your personal information. Saves you the hassle and also shields you from the risk of exposing all of your private information to these centralized exchanges. So let me show you how it works. So the first thing you'll want to do is get your wallet connected. All right, so you can use this Bitski wallet, but I've tried it and it's not a true non-custodial wallet. It is pretty easy to use, but you do have to sort of set up an account with your email and give them your phone number for two-factor authentication, and there's no seed phrase. So it's not a true non-custodial wallet. But it might be something that as a beginner you might want to try. It's really easy to set up and get going on. I'm going to stick with Metamask, which is my go-to non-custodial wallet of choice. If you're unfamiliar with Metamask, I have a great video on how to get it set up. I'll put a link to that up in the corner there to get yourself going. But either way you slice it, there's really no way to actually buy Ethereum with a fiat on-ramp in a DeFi wallet or a DeFi platform. So you're going to have to fund the wallet yourself with crypto, which means this is not a fiat on-ramp, right? You can't use your bank account or your credit card to buy crypto on this platform. You're going to have to buy crypto somewhere else and then deposit that crypto in your wallet. There's a lot of great places where you can buy crypto, like Coinbase or crypto.com. I'll put links to those down in the description below. Binance US is also a good choice. Kraken. So there are a lot of ways to get your hands on crypto. But if you're going to do DeFi trading, you need to use a non-custodial wallet. That's the whole idea behind DeFi platform, right? It's a decentralized platform. All right, so let's jump in. I'm going to go ahead and connect my Metamask wallet here. So we'll hit Connect Metamask, and as you can see, my browser extension for Metamask pops up, and I'll just sign in here and open up my Metamask wallet. And you can see here that the page changes just a little bit to indicate that I have connected to this wallet, right? So any trades that I initiate here in this platform will need to be authorized by my wallet. Okay, so funding the wallet is a very important step, so I'd like to just go over that briefly. So if you click here, you can go to copy address, which copies the address of the wallet into your clipboard, right? You can do the same thing over in your Metamask because they're both the same, right? You've connected your Metamask account here. You can click here to copy that into the clipboard, or you can do it over here in your Matcha interface. Either way is fine. And I'm going to use Coinbase. Coinbase is a really easy way to purchase crypto. If you're on the homepage for Coinbase, you can just hit trade up here and do a buy, right? You want to buy some Ethereum because Ethereum is the cryptocurrency that powers this platform, right? So you can just choose Ethereum and use your bank account or your debit card or your cash account in Coinbase. This is just an example. There are a lot, like I mentioned, there are a lot of ways to purchase cryptocurrency on centralized exchanges on your phone or in your web browser. I'm just going to do what I consider to be the easiest way. Maybe not the cheapest way because they do charge a little bit of a merchant fee, but just to give you an example. All right, so once you have the Ethereum in your portfolio, right, you just go into Ethereum and you want to send, right? You want to send the Ethereum from your Coinbase account to your wallet, right? And there's the to field. Where are you going to send it to? That's where you put the address that you copied into your clipboard. That's the Ethereum address of my Metamask wallet. And in this case, since Matcha and Metamask are connected, that's the address of the Matcha wallet at this point. All right. So we'll go ahead and send all. Doesn't matter however much Ethereum you have in the wallet, you can decide how much you want to send into Matcha, more or less depending on your comfort level. Always remember that cryptocurrency investing is risky. The market is very volatile. Be mentally prepared to lose your entire investment, right? Having said that, let's go ahead and I'll show you how this all works. I'm going to hit continue here. And it's going to want me to confirm that. You see there's going to be a network fee. You have to keep in mind all of the charges and little fees that are going to go along with all of this, right? Now I have two-factor authentication set up on my Coinbase account. So I'm going to go ahead and enter the code there, and off it goes, right? Usually takes about 10 minutes or so for the Ethereum to leave your Coinbase account and transfer over to your wallet. All right, so there you go. You've just made your first transfer of cryptocurrency from one location to another. This is really the whole idea behind cryptocurrency. It travels across the blockchain from one address to another. Once you get it in your Matcha wallet, you'll be able to trade that Ethereum for other cryptocurrencies, right? And you can check your balance here. If you click and just say go to account page, it's going to show you your current balance that's in your wallet. And just wait a few minutes for the Ethereum to show up in your wallet, and we'll do a little trading. All right, and you can see here that the wallet balance in Matcha has now updated to reflect that transfer. All right, so now we can go back to the home page, and this is where we can explore trading. All right, now if you click this little explore button, it's going to show you all of the available tokens that you can purchase and trade for on Matcha. Right, and notice it's a really cool, bright, easy to use interface. There's plenty of tokens that you can trade for, even some obscure ones, so pretty cool. Of course, the more common ones are near the top. All right, so if you click on one, it'll show you the chart, or you can do a week chart or a month chart and just kind of get a feel for the cryptocurrency. Down here, there's a description of the cryptocurrency, what it is, what its total supply is, the volume, the market cap, and then it shows you the trading pairs, right? In fact, you can trade for almost all of the pairs between different cryptocurrencies on this platform. And when you're in the chain link description, you can even decide to make your trade right there, right? As you can see, when it pulls up, you can see I've got a balance of Ethereum, and I can just trade a little bit for some link, right? Just like that. Right, now remember, this is an aggregator, so it searches multiple exchanges for the best price. And then you can even do a limit order. Okay. So the limit is available, but for not all tokens, right? I'll show you that wrapped ETH in a second. And then you've got this little settings button where it shows you the different settings for slippage, the number of exchanges, the gas price. The gas price is the amount of Ethereum that you'll be spending on the transaction fees. So and as you can see, the way the interface is set up, it's already set to a default. So you really don't need to go in there and change all of those, but you can if you want to, right? You can learn as you go. So you can start on the main page and just say, type in something like that, like ETH/DAI, right? And it even auto completes for you. So let's check that. Right, and then you can see you go to that ETH/DAI pair, and you can switch the order. You know, you're paying with ETH and receiving DAI, or the other way around. You can switch that here. It's pretty easy to do. And then I mentioned that if you're using wrapped ETH, which is this one here, then you have the option of doing a limit order. But that's if you already own wrapped ETH and you're using it to purchase something else. So a lot of really easy to use controls and a lot of explanation about each of the tokens that you might be interested in purchasing. So saves a lot of time and money, and searches a lot of different exchanges for the best price. And everything is clearly marked, right? Exactly how much fees you're going to be paid and everything else. As you can see here, these are all of the different decentralized exchanges where you're going to get your pricing information. I'll go ahead and do one trade for you so you can see how it works. Now I'll go ahead and try a little link. It's a fairly common cryptocurrency, pretty stable. So we're going to use our ETH to buy link. So I'm going to switch this around here. I'm going to choose my ETH to buy the link, right? And I'll put in, say, 0.1 Ethereum, and that will give me 3.31 link. I'll hit review order. Right, there it is. I'll go ahead and place the order. As you can see, it comes up with my Metamask wallet, which I'll authorize the transaction. There's the gas fee. Keep your eye on all of these fees. All right, and there we go. We did it. It's confirmed in my Metamask wallet. And it shows me, even on the Ethereum blockchain, that the trade was a success. And then we can go over to the account, and it shows me my balance. It's a very clear, easy to understand interface to the MetaMask wallet. Even a little better than the MetaMask wallet itself. The MetaMask wallet itself will show you the exact same information in assets, right? But in order to see my link, I need to go add it manually. So that's a little bit of, and you know, that's more for advanced users. You know, if I hit add token and choose link, you know, I'll be able to see it in my wallet, right? There you can, now you can see it there. But in the Matcha wallet, it already shows up. Very easy, simple to use, easy to understand. All right, so now that you've made your trade and you've made your profit and you want to cash out, what do you do there? Yeah, you'll simply send it back to the place where you bought the ETH in the first place. So we could, if let's say that this link goes way up in value, doubles in value, I could always go back and do the opposite of what I just did, right? In other words, I could go back to link, and this time do the opposite. Sell the link back to ETH, right? And after I've done that, I can transfer the ETH back to my Coinbase account. right? But there's an easier way. I could just send the link straight back to Coinbase because Coinbase supports link. So I could just go to Chainlink in my Coinbase account, do a receive, get that address, and then go back to Matcha and just send it. Yeah, so it looks like they don't have an easy mechanism to send any of this crypto back out. You would need to do that from within your wallet of choice. So, for example, if I decided I wanted to send the link back to my Coinbase account, open up the Metamask wallet, and from there I would go down to link and do a send, right? I would send the link out of my wallet back over to my Coinbase account. That, and then just do a send back to Coinbase so that I could cash out. So there it goes. The link will go back to my Coinbase account where I can cash it out and withdraw to my bank account if I so desire. All right. So Matcha is a great and easy way to dip your toes in the new DeFi world where you can trade tokens in a decentralized fashion and get the best price and the easiest interface to use. If you have any questions about anything I did, please throw them up in the comments and I'll do my best to get them answered. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you'd like to subscribe to my channel, I would appreciate it. When you subscribe, there's a little bell that you can click that will allow you to be alerted whenever I post new content. Once again, thanks for joining me and hope to see you again soon.